Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 2nd December. Let's start. In the year of 1901, on this day, Pitambar Dutt Vadhwal, a colleague of Acharya Ramchand Shukla, a well-known Hindi writer and scholar, was born. In the year of 1911, on this day, George V and Queen Mary became the first British monarch to visit India. The Gateway of India was built in the memory of his arrival in Bombay, now Mumbai. In the year of 1918, on this day, Gurudas Banerjee, India's leading educationist, passed away. He was a Bengali Indian judge of the Calcutta High Court. In 1890, he also became the first Indian Vice Chancellor of the University of Calcutta. In the year of 1937, on this day, Manohar Joshi, famous politician, former Speaker of Lok Sabha, was born. In the year of 1942, on this day, Sri Aurobindo Ashram School was established in Pondicherry, which was later known as Sri Aurobindo International Centre of Education. In the year of 1953, on this day, Om Prakash Rawat, the 22nd Chief Election Commissioner of India, was born. His tenure was from 23 January to 1st December 2018. In the year of 1963, on this day, Shiva Ayyadurai, the famous Indian-American scientist, was born. In the year of 1976, on this day, Fidel Castro became president of Cuba. In the year of 1988, on this day, Benazir Bhutto took over as the Prime Minister of Pakistan. In the year of 1989, on this day, Vishwanath Pratap Singh became the 8th Prime Minister of India. In the year of 1999, on this day, private sector investment in the insurance sector in India was approved. In the year of 2005, on this day, the government of Pakistan enacted a law to prohibit the publication of education and literature by madrasas to spread religious hatred and inspire terrorism. In the year of 2008, on this day, Thai Prime Minister Somji Wongsawat resigned following the 2008 Thailand political crisis. In the year of 2013, on this day, China launched its first lunar rover mission. In the year of 2014, on this day, A.R. Antule, Indian politician and the 8th Chief Minister of Maharashtra, passed away. In the year of 2014, on this day, Elizabeth Lawton, a Republican congresswoman, resigned after online criticism of President Barack Obama's teenage daughters. In the year of 2018, on this day, the trade war truce was agreed between US President Donald Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping at the G20 meeting in Argentina. In the year of 2020, on this day, Virat Kohli broke Sachin Tendulkar's record by becoming the fastest cricketer to score 12,000 ODI runs. He achieved the milestone during India's third ODI against Australia in Canberra. In the year of 2020, on this day, Maharashtra Cabinet approved the proposal to rename all residential colonies named on the basis of caste. In the year of 2020, on this day, New Zealand declared a climate emergency. The country had resolved to become carbon neutral by year 2025. In the year of 2020, on this day in Karnataka, Chief Minister B.S. Yedurappa laid the foundation stone of an 11.5 megawatt power plant based on municipal waste at Bidadi, Bengaluru. In the year of 2020, on this day, Kuldeep Pandu, Srinagar born Bushu coach and the first Dronacharya awardee from the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, was appointed as the ambassador of the Fit India movement. In the year of 2021, today is celebrated as National Pollution Control Day. It is celebrated every year in memory of the lives of those lost in the unfortunate incident of Bhopal gas tragedy, which happened on the night of 2-3 December in the year 1984. In 2021, today is also celebrated as World Computer Literacy Day. It is observed on 2 December to create awareness and promote digital literacy among disadvantaged communities around the world. World Computer Literacy Day was first celebrated and organized on 2 December in the year 2001. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.